Hello everyone, this is part one of a series for the Weatherstrip replacement on the soft top for the 74. Yesterday I removed all of the weather stripping except for the front here, which I'm going to do today, and it was a little bit of a chore, and the back weather stripping needed to be replaced. As you could see, it was torn there, but it was just a need to get redone. I'm going to be going over the frame and paint the brackets and get everything as close to like new condition. This is one of the covers for the front, and you'll be able to see all the years of dust that have accumulated. So that'll all be cleaned up. I'll reshoot this with flat black and get that done. And we'll go over here to the table, and you'll see this is the old weather stripping. Some of it was torn or ripped or whatever. Getting new hardware, and these were on the end, and it looks like they fit around a rubber piece, but that rubber piece was non-existent on both ends. As you can see, this has some remnants of part of it, but it was really kind of shot. These are all bent. I'm going to have to figure out, what part stays straight, what part is upward. So that should be relatively easy to do. Also, in case anybody does this type of job, these shims go on the inside, if I remember correctly. Yes. Okay, I took pictures. So there's one on each side, and that's for the handles. So I got my work cut out to do. Dominic is scheduled to come over tomorrow. We'll get some other things done on the interior, but I'm going to get to work on this. Again, this is part one. Catch you later.